The Lord of the Circles 2016 is really crazy. It was really great battles. It was really hyped up crowd. The whole atmosphere was crazy.
Я думаю, что эти 2 дня очень круто прошли. Мне очень понравились батлы. Эмоции мои. Мне очень понравилось. На самом деле все круто было, мне реально очень понравилось. Даже качнул меня помимо брейков, качнул и хип-хоп, и хаос, и детские батлы были крутые. Все круто.
It's like a crazy event, good spirits, good energy. The kids was so nice. I see some girls dance too, very good too.
I think it was a very nice event. This time it was crazy.
It was a long day, a long 2 days, but a lot of dancers and from different countries. And Italy was today, and Germany also, and Belgium. So like event is growing up every year, and it's cool. It's great. I hope that next year will be more bigger and more cooler.
Tai ką tik padarėme nuotrauką, iš tikrųjų viskas praėjo super, man labai patiko apšvietimas, labai patiko vieta, aš manau, kad ir čia reikia toliau organizuoti Dainiau. Žodžiu, viskas šustrai labai fainai buvo.
I see a lot of good influence.
I won hip hop at Lord of the Circle in Vilnius. It was a nice event and I hope to see you next year.
Aš manau, kad po šio renginio tikrai daug daugiau žmonių apie šitą renginį sužinos ir mes pasistengsime, kad kitais metais būtų dar galingesnis, dar įdomesnis, smagesnis.
Я думаю, что надо об этом узнать, смотреть видосы и приезжать на следующую тусу.
Perfect event. Very good. Good vibes. Yeah.
I love it. Yesterday is very long, but very nice level, and today is like I love the energy. That's for me is more important, energy and the spirit of the events, the people. I see the parents there. I see the very good mentality.
Žiauriai smagiai praleidom laiką, finalas buvo daug, belė kaip smagu.
Just, I don't know what to say, just you need to come and see it by yourself. It's really great event with a great organization, with a great dancers.
Shout out to all the Lord of the Circle team. Great job. Keep in touch, keep growing, and I hope the next year it will be more bigger and more lot of different things, fun and tech. So see you. Good job.
Всем спасибо, кто приехал. Увидимся на Lord of the Circle.
See you next time, I hope so. And I enjoyed this event. The Lord of the Circle was very crazy event. Yeah.
Bye.
See you next time and give me 4%.
Pasakysiu paprastai. Jeigu tu nebuvai The Lord of the Circle, tu nebuvai niekur. Jeigu tavęs nėra čionai, tavęs nėra iš viso.
Goodbye!